Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by granting permissions and choosing an output device. This lets alerts play reliably. Once done, set a test volume around 60% so you can hear without startling others. Next, pick sound types. Short tones for routine notices and longer tones for critical events. Keep each under 2 seconds to prevent overlap. Make sure the app or system is allowed to run in background so alerts fire when locked. Finally, run an immediate test to confirm audio routes correctly and levels are comfortable. You now map triggers to sounds. Define each rule with a clear source, priority, and condition so alerts only fire when needed. Once set, assign a unique sound to each priority so you recognize events without looking. Then configure routing. Decide if alerts come from the app, the OS, or a connected automation service. This affects latency and fallback behavior. Make sure to add small delays or debounce when events are noisy to avoid rapid repeats. Finally, run scenario tests to confirm expected sequencing and overlaps. You finish by saving profiles and enabling auto start so configurations persist after restarts. Once saved, monitor real activity for 1 to 2 days and tweak volumes, thresholds, and debounce to reduce false positives. Make sure to back up settings so you can restore quickly if you change devices. If you integrate with multiple services, confirm priority rules to avoid duplicates. And if something goes wrong, check mute, do not disturb, app permissions, and audio routing first. That solves most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.